Hey guys, my name is Akari and I'm an online entrepreneur. In this video, I want to share with you how to get out of a difficult situation. And I'm just going to talk about my own personal experience and how I did it. So a couple years ago, I made a lot of money in crypto. This was the last bull run. And it was the first time I've ever seen that amount. But when it came to the end of that bull market, I ended up losing basically 90% of it. So I was starting from ground zero again, and it was a really tough reality for me because I thought like I was on my way and I had made it, but then when it got taken away from me, I kind of felt like I was just kind of in a state of shock, really. So yeah, I started again, basically with no money in the bank. The rest of the money I had, I used to pay rent for that month and also pay off like my debt. So what did I do? Although I felt really like upset with my current situation, the first thing I did was look myself in the mirror and realize that it was me who was responsible for my situation and no one else. Number one is taking responsibility for where you are. You cannot blame anyone else. You cannot blame your parents. You cannot blame your girlfriend. You cannot blame kids, anyone. You can only blame yourself for where you are. So once I took responsibility and realized that I was the reason for where I was, that gave me the freedom and the control to make better decisions and to really take control of my circumstances. Because what you don't want to do is be in a victim mentality and believe the world is against you and that things are happening to you. You want to happen to the world and you want to be in control. So that's why you need to take responsibility and realize it's all on you. So once you've done that part, you need to look at where you are, what your situation is, and make positive steps to get back to where you were. So if you're in a difficult situation, things were probably going well, and then something had happened in your life. I don't know what it may be. It could be a car accident. It could be losing a bunch of money. It could be a breakup. So you might feel like you're at a low point. The benefit is it's only up from there, and anything you do can only get you out, and progress can be made. So what I did was I was actually didn't have a job, and I had to basically start working again to start making income. So I was in Australia at the time. I remember coming back home from the beach, seeing like my crypto liquidated, my last 10,000, and yeah, it was a tough situation. And at the same time, I had to move out of that current flat because I got a job in Brisbane. So I was living in the Gold Coast, and yeah, I had to take the train with all my stuff. And thankfully, my old boss let me stay at his place for 1 week to help me get at least the first month covered. And then from there on, I looked for a place to stay. And then once I had my own place, then I could just kind of like build up from there. So yeah, um, building good habits is the second step. You're in this tough position. You need to get momentum back in your life and you need to do it fast. And the way you do that is by having basically a checklist of things you need to do each day. So for me, that was get my 9 to 5 out of the way. It was a sales job, so that those hours couldn't really be changed. So I had to work around that time, right? So in the morning, I'd get up, basically go to work, but on the way to work, I was reading a book or listening to an audiobook, and then I did my job. And once I got back home, I showered, went straight to the gym, got my workout done, and then after that was basically time for me to work on my business. So I call it the 5 to 9 rather than 9 to 5. So that's outside of your work is like 5 to 9, and you want to use that 5 to 9 hours as most efficiently as possible. So yeah, I had that checklist, and I wouldn't let myself go to sleep until I had done everything on that list. And that really gave me confidence and momentum and built my mindset back up, because you probably feel maybe like not happy in your mind, or your ego may have taken a hit or something. So you need to rebuild up your mental state and make sure that you're feeling good about yourself by doing what you say you're going to do. And when you do that on a daily basis, consistently, you build that momentum back up in your life and that confidence in your mind. So basically, after I did that, I was able to go ahead and start a business and come into that business with that momentum built up and those good habits day after day. And although I wasn't making a ton of money, I was building my character and building myself up to be able to start a business. So that's just a quick video I wanted just to share. I think that was super valuable and super important that I learned, and I hope that helps you. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.